Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Nothing Ear stick with your iPhone. So first you have to open this case, then click and hold this button, wait until indicator starts blinking. Right now you can release that button, put it next to your device, and you have to open the settings, go to the Bluetooth, select your Nothing Ear stick, and next you have to go for the App Store, type Nothing to get this application from the Nothing company, Nothing X, that's actually the name of this. So click right here on this icon. Okay, right now we can open it, accept all the permissions, click start, click to join later, accept permission for the Bluetooth. Right now it is scanning for the nearby devices. We have to select our earphones, and we can click to set up this device. Click skip to skip this tutorial, and you are right now successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.